Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. They will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern and I am super excited to show you guys everything as there is 5 collections this week, which we haven't done 5 in so long. But there was so much awesome art that came out, so I wanted to make sure I did as much of it as I possibly could. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll go through the doodles first. Like always, we have 10, so we're starting at 181. So there is little Panera bags, Popeyes bags, Taco Bell bags, HelloFresh boxes, Dr. Pepper, Coke cans, Diet Coke cans, Cards Against Humanity's cards, board games, and like an Uno card for any card games you want to use that for. So those will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern. There is also a foil bundle. This is a leftover stock from the July mystery, I believe. I wanted to make sure to get this up as we are doing like fall Halloween-ish time kits now. This is in, I think it's the bonfire foil. I don't remember who mentioned that, but I'm pretty sure it is. So maybe I should head and show you guys the foil. We do have some extras of the matte samplers, so I'll list those for sale as well. That was just like an extra for the month. It's not going to be every month, but I do sometimes put in like extra freebies in the mystery. So we have some extra of those, and this is just in the leaves foil bundle, which did come out in gold and silver last week. This is super pretty. So you do get 2 of the full box header pages, 2 of the bougie box pages, the icons and scripts page, along with the bottom washi fancy header deco and date number. So that'll be available. Like I said, it is a little bit more of a limited stock whenever we do the mystery foils, but we do have those and some of the matte samplers left over as well. Then, like I said, we do have 5 collections this week. All of them have add-on options along with mini kits. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the first one, which is Tin Turn, which is a really pretty like fall tea set. And I love these colors. They're so pretty. So let's go ahead and go through this one. So here are the full boxes. Super cute. I love this guy. He's so adorable. And then the box over here is a tall box because I really loved this scene with the house. I love these colors. I think they're really pretty. Like a little bit on the like different side for fall with like the nudish taupe color, but I think this one would look really pretty with like matte bronze, silver, or gold. Or if you wanted to pull in like this like leaves in orange, I think that'd be really cool as well, especially because there's like this like more bright orange color that isn't one of the 4 colors. I think that'd be really pretty. And the freebie in both the ultimate and mini is this fashion in different skin tone hair colors. So that is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit for this kit in case you're not familiar with the format, and then the rest of them similar. They all have mini kit options. They come with the same freebies. So here are the full boxes: deco page, glitter header page, mini kit page, bottom washi page. Super cute box over here. Also love this scene. It'll be super cute with a quote box on top. So I love that. I'm going to try and start using the bottom washi page to add an extra full box if there's enough art. A lot of times I buy or get custom art and there's just enough for all 10 full boxes. But if there is enough and I could stretch it to do the box on that page, even if it's just like another skin tone color or hair color of the fashion girl, I will do so. So then there is the 15mm strip if you want to add it on, the label sampler if you want to add it on, and then there is also fashion options if you want to add those on. I love this one with the gray hair. I tried to do kind of like a gradient when I recolored the hair. I think that turned out super cute. Then let's go into, let's see, let's do the fall ones first. So then there's fall football, which is so cute. There's 2 different colorways. I like this one because it's a little bit more like fall, cozy, warm colors. So here are the full boxes. I'm going to show you guys the ultimate kit. So you have a scene here. You have 2 fashion options, you know, some food, outfit, situation, football. And then the extra boxes here is like a picnic basket, and then you have like another little food flat lay with the cookies. I love these colors, very classic fall with the addition of pink. I think it's super pretty. I feel like you could use almost any core foil with this and it would look really nice, as long with like matte bronze, champagne lights. You could bring in a leaves pattern. And again, I did like a little cheerleader box there, which is super cute. And I love this bottom washi because you have kind of like plaid with like football like pattern on top of it, which I thought was kind of cool to use as the bottom washi. There is also a freebie in both the mini and ultimate, which is a color that's not in the kit, just some extras. And let me show you, because I really like the navy. I didn't want to leave it behind, but I like these colors for the 4. So that's when I do the color added freebie. Like I said, this also comes in a mini kit. There is a 15mm strip along with the label sampler, and then there's also fam boxes. So sometimes we do the quarter sheet fam. This one I just did the 2 since there was only like a fashion and a fashion dude in here. So they are the same combos as always. So if you always get fam 3 or fam 6, you always have the same combos on the sheets. I don't really change them up too much. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Super, super cute. Then we'll go into Belladonna, which is another super pretty fall kit. So maybe I show you these boxes. I'm in love with this art. I just think it's so pretty. It kind of has like a cottage core witchy vibe, which I love. I love this scene. It just feels cozy, and I like the like skylight there and all of the scenery outside. It's just really pretty. And again, cozy vibes. I love the candle, this like little tray of things, the book, the locket, the toast. I'm just here for it all. These fashion people on top are my jam. And then you have some food items like flat lays and things on here. Super, super cute. And again, I really love these colors, especially the green. I was really just drawn to it. Super pretty. Love it. And this like burnt rusty brown orange color and the pink. I think pink just kind of ties it all together. And then there is another fashion option on the washi page here with like an ombre hair situation. You have the plaid bottom washi, which I love. And then the freebie in both the ultimate and mini is a super cute. It's like a hand holding a little flower with a pumpkin in the background. I thought that was adorable. So there is that. There's a 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is the label sampler if you want to add it on, and then there's also the fashion add-on. Super, super cute. Love them. I love her eyebrows. They're so pretty. Then let's go into Witchy vibes, which is a little bit more on the Halloween spooky season sort of trend, which I think we're going to be seeing a lot of very, very soon, so I'm really excited. I think I counted and we're doing like 4 reformats and like 6 new exclusive collections, which is just crazy for Halloween specifically. This one is super pretty. It came out last week. It's called Witchy Vibes, and I thought it was so pretty with the like muted lilac pinkish color and all of the fashion people. And I love all of like the makeup and witchy items, all the black here for it. And you have like the faux gold sparkle throughout. You have your extra boxes over here, which you have like a cloud planner with the stickers, and then a cute, super cute little like mug and pumpkin. And I love these like really muted, kind of like mauve-y, taupey, kind of pink toned colors with the black. I think this would look so pretty with gold, champagne lights, a mixed metal, whether it's sparkly, hollow and champagne gold, or gold and silver, matte bronze if you wanted to do like a black foil. I have my hands like waving in the air. Lots of options. And then again with the extra full box on the washi page, super cute stars on the bottom washi. And then the freebie in this one is like a hand holding like a little orb or like, I don't know, sphere of sorts, and then a witch hat in the background. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, also does come in a mini kit. There's an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also fashion option. Then last but not least, we do have Care, which I think this came out a couple of weeks ago, but I was ordering, they're the same artist. I was ordering this and I saw this and I was like, oh, let's do this one too. So this one is like healthcare worker, doctor, nurse kind of situation, or I know somebody mentioned in the comments about using this maybe to bring home a baby or something like that, or if you end up going to the hospital for some reason, let's hope not, or whatever. I think this is a good one to have on hand. I'm probably going to save it. I don't know when I'll use it, but you never know. So you have the 2 different double vaccines, which are super cute. Also, a customer messaged me about like the symbol on here, about it being incorrect. So the artist so graciously sent me a replacement scene, which I thought was awesome. I think both of them are kind of like used, but this one's the more commonly used one. So the artist was super sweet in that. So 2 flat lays and then the 2 other ones here. I love this ambulance. I just think this art was really pretty, along with the colors chosen with it. It's just really nice and like clean, but still like really pretty. Then you have your extra full boxes over here, which has like some hand sanitizer and like a little IV bag, along with a planner. And then you have like the little stickers in the background. And again, I really love these colors. You have like a pink, like a little bit darker version, and then the like mint and a little bit of a darker version there as well. Lots of super cute deco, glitter headers, half boxes, solid and pattern labels, bottom washi was super cute. And then there is the freebie of the hand holding the phone that just says like your doctor's appointment was scheduled, which is super cute with the green nails. So that is care. And like the others, there is a 15mm strip, there is a label sampler, and then there is also an adorable fashion option. She's such a cutie. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like it. I will have hopefully 5 videos up this week. If you are subscribed to Mystery, you will have noticed that today, I printed the labels for Mystery, so those will be dropped off on Tuesday afternoon, and I will have that video up for you guys on Wednesday, and that is for August Mystery. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the other 3 videos. I think I'm going to do 2 plan with me's and my washi declutter because I finally got that all sorted. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!